Good morning, boys. Now, today I am taking past continuous tense. In past continuous tense, there are two helping verbs, was and were. Was is used with the singular number subject and were is used with the plural number subject. Now, there are three patterns. Affirmative sentence. Pattern is subject plus was and were plus first form of the main verb plus ing and object. So, this is the simple pattern of affirmative sentence. For example, he was playing football. He subject singular, so we have used was playing. In second example, they were swimming in the pond. They subject is plural, so we have used were here. They were swimming in the pond. Now, next pattern for negative sentence. Pattern is subject plus was and were plus not plus first form of the main verb plus ing and object. For example, he was not playing football. They were not swimming in the pond. So, not is used between helping verb and main verb. Now, third pattern of interrogation. Pattern is first of all we write helping verbs was and were, then subject, then ing form of the main verb plus object and question mark. If we are using WH word, so first of all we can use WH word before this pattern. So, the pattern will become WH word plus helping verb plus subject plus ing form plus object and question mark. For example, was he playing football? Question mark. Were they swimming in the pond? Mark of interrogation. So, these are three patterns of past continuous tense. Now, see various uses of this tense. Use number one, this tense is used to express an action that was happening in the past time. Action happening in the past time, action is in progress in the past time. We can use past continuous tense. For example, he was lying in the sun. This action is in progress in the past time. Second example, to express an action that was happening in the past and in the meantime some other action took place. So, in this use we can find two actions happening in the past time. One action was complete and other action was happening. So, see the example, when the bell rang, I was watching TV. In this sentence, there are two actions, ringing of the bell and watching of television. The watching of television is in progress, while ringing of bell, the work is complete. So, when the bell rang, I was watching television. Now, third use, generally while is used to connect sentences showing two actions that were happening in the past time. In this use, there were also two actions connected by while, using while. For example, I was reading a story while Hari was writing a letter. In this sentence, there are two actions happening, reading of a story and writing a letter. These two actions are happening together. So, we can use while as a connective. I was reading a story while Hari was writing a letter. Mark of identifications. Now, there are some adverbial phrases or adverbs which are generally used in the past continuous tense. For example, these words are at that time, at that moment, those days, then, as, when, while. These words are generally used in the past continuous tense. I will give you exercise in the PDF file. Thank you.